There's a misconception regarding why Islam permits a Muslim man to have more than one wife. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 3, فَانْكِحُوا مَا طَابَ لَكُم مِّنَ النِّسَاءِ مَثْنًى وَثُلَاثَ وَرُبَاعَ. Marry women of your choice in 2s, 3s, or 4s. فَإِنْ خِفْتُمْ أَلَّا تَعْدِلُوا فَوَاحِدَةً. But if you fear that you cannot do justice, then marry only one. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 129, وَلَن تَسْتَطِيعُوا أَن تَعْدِلُوا بَيْنَ النِّسَاءِ وَلَوْ حَرَصْتُمْ فَلَا تَمِيلُوا كُلَّ الْمَيْلِ فَتَذَرُوهَا كَالْمُعَلَّقَةِ. And you will never be able to do justice between your wives, but do not turn away from them altogether. Further, it's mentioned in the Hindu scriptures, in Vishnu Sutra, chapter number 24, verse number 1, that Brahmin can have 4 wives. According to Mahabharata, Krishna, how many wives did he have? 4, 10, 100, 1,000, 16,108. If Krishna can have 16,108 wives, why can't a Muslim have maximum 4? And for further details, you can refer to my DVD on Women's Rights in Islam, Modernizing or Outdated.